Sup people, I'm Looperman, you know. Uh, thumbs up for that. Yeah. Um, People keep asking me if I can make the Babeli bass tutorial. I think it's this sound. Um, I'm not mastering it, and I don't want to master it because I just don't like the sound. Um, Basically, it's just uh, saying the letter R, like, but imagine if this is your tongue, and this is the this is the top of your upper teeth, and you have to use pressure against your teeth with your tongue. So use pressure and say the letter R, and you get this sound. Just pressure, like pushing against your teeth. It's like the same spot when you're doing the snare. I don't know how it's called. Um, yeah, that's basically it. Um, you can also close your mouth while you're doing the sound and you get this. I cannot do it properly because I don't know, I just can't control the air that's in my mouth. In a beat. Yeah, I guess that's it. Comment, rate, and subscribe if you liked the video and if I helped you somehow with this tutorial. I'll keep making tutorials. Um, just join my Facebook fan page, which is in the description, and ask me any questions if you have to ask me or anything. So, yeah, peace.